Contrary to popular belief, Tanqueray Number 10, I don't know if it's good or not. A lot of people say, oh, Tanqueray is cheap. But it placed in the San Francisco World Spirits Competition. That's why I bought it. It did get I'm not sure what it did, but it placed. And Snoop Dogg said, sipping on gin and juice, laid back. They said two. They said Seagram's and Tanqueray. So we're going to try it. We're going to try it with some juice, and we're going to try it as a shot. And I'm nervous because gin usually tastes like pine straws. And the thing is, I don't know why I know how pine straws taste. I can only assume it's because kids put everything in their mouth. So I would imagine that I put pine straw in my mouth as a kid. But it tastes like pine straw too, so. So, shot. So the smell. First, let's go with the smell. It's horrendous, bro. I hate gin. I haven't found a gin yet that made me think to myself, yes, this is it. Gotta have it on the shelf. The smell alone turns me off. Shot. Oh, shit. Oh. I ain't even take the whole shot, but the answer is absolutely not. It is quite disgusting. Snoop Dogg, I know you made that song in like 94, 95, somewhere between 92 and 96, but bruh, this is nasty, dog. And I ain't even pour a lot. I'm gonna at least try to pour, just a shot. I guess a shot, either ounce or ounce and a half, depending on how you pour or who's pouring. But, Hold on, let me see. I gotta pull out the real stir for this because we need to mix the motherfucking juices in there. Oh, here we go. I can't do it, man. It's better because the juice, but I can't do it, man. It's better because it's juice in there, but it's disgusting. It's terrible. I do not recommend it. Don't buy it. Don't put it on the shelf. Even if you have a party, any type of event. I don't remember if this was cheap or not, but it's no. And that's the end of this episode. Because I got to brush my teeth.